This is going to be the practice question we want to work on. How many elements are in the matrix of order? Then we have A kusvikira pa F. Saka we want to do everything. But before we get into it, may you please consider subscribing and following. Tiri pano, before we even answer A, we should know kuti since question yedu iri kuti titsvage the number of elements, tofanga kuziva kuti number of elements, the number of elements is equal to number of rows multiplying number of columns. That is what we should know. Saka takuda ku answer A. A is a 2 by 3 matrix. Toda kutsvaga the number of elements. Saka pa A panapa we just multiply 2 times 3. This is equal to 6 elements. And you can verify this. Let us verify it. Saka pasi panapa zvatinge tichiita, tinenge tichingoisa an example of a 2 by 3 matrix. But toda kushandisa ma letters. Munogona ini kushandisa ma numbers. We need to use letters. Taudzwa kuti it's a 2 by 3 kureva kuti we have 2 rows. Saka panapa takuti A, B, we represent the 2 rows. And we have 3 columns. So inobva yati C, D, panapa yobva yati E, F, like this. So ndaita in this color because this is not necessarily required so long muchiziva kuti the number of elements munomawana by multiplying the number of rows times the number of columns. But isusu tiri kuzviita kuti muone in real time kuti zvofamba sei. And this is going to help us with questions like D and E. So tikaverenga the number of elements panapa pa 2 by 3 matrix yatagadzira, tinoona kuti 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 elements. Saka tatoita A zvakanaka. Let us go to B. B it's a 3 by 2. So it's just 3 times 2 which gives us 6 elements again. And let us see kuti zvinobuda sei. We have 3 rows panapa, A, B, C. And we also have 2 columns. Kureva kuti it will be D panapa 1, 2 columns, 1, 2, 3 rows. Saka D, E, F. Like this. Ndozvinenge zvakaita matrix yacho. Tikaverenga ma elements by hand, tinoona achibuda ari 6 elements. Now let us go past C. C is 4 by 3. Inogona kunyorwa yakati 4 times 3. Just multiply panapa 4, 8. It's 12 elements. And let us see kuti inenge yakaita sei. It's a 4 by 3 kureva tine 4 rows, A, B, C, D, and 3 columns. Saka inenge yakuti chi togona kuti E, F, like this. Saka we have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 columns, 1, 2, 3. So E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, like this. Tikamaverenga, you are going to see kuti anenge ari 12 elements zvemashuwa. Let us go pa D. D iri kuti chi? D iri kuti M times N. Saka kana ari ma letters, say apo pakanzi M times N, tenge tango multiply M times N, which is equal to chi? Mn elements. And panapa, we cannot visualize because we don't know kuti M yakamirira chi kana kuti N yakamirira chi. Saka ma visualizations atanga tichiita pa A, B, C hatikwanisi kumaita pa D. Takushandisa kuziva kwedu the relationship that the number of elements is given by multiplying the number of rows times the number of columns. That is why answer yedu panapa iri Mn elements. Ndio inenge answer yedu hapo. Panapa it's 6 elements. apo it's 6 elements and panapa it's 12 elements. So just chiite chijairira kuunderline kudouble underline maanswers enyu. Ndo presentation yavanoda. Let us go pa E. E yakati x times x, yakati x by x. Kuti tiwane the number of elements, not x times x. This is equal to x squared. X times x, the x squared elements. That will be our answer. Then lastly, a 1 by 4. So 1 by 4, so we go to 1 times 4, which is equal to 4 elements. Tikada kuinyora pasi zvainenge yakaita 1 by 4 inoreva kuti we only have 1 row and 4 columns. Saka inenge yakati A, B, C, D. Remember kuti kana chine 1 row panapa and whatever number of columns, this is actually called yatanyora ishi. It's called a row matrix. You have to remember. Kana takunyora maelements edu tinomaseparata netumakoma. Saka inenge yakadai so. Tikaita a hand count, we are going to see that we have 4 elements.